Welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, if you are interested in seeing how I managed to come up with this spring set here, please stay tuned. So today I am using tips and I prepared my nails with the peel off base off camera. This is the color I will be using, you guys. I got this gel polish from Temu and I'm gonna get close so you can see on the first line here. I believe that's the name of the gel polish brand. So we're going to start off by painting each tip a different pastel color. This is a spring look. We're actually going to do an ombre. So I'm going to paint each tip a solid color. This gel polish got really good coverage. I could just go in with one coat, but I decided to go in with 2 coats. You will see that. And when I'm done polishing each tip, I will go in with my Madame Glam ombre brush and soften up these harsh lines so you won't see that under the poly gel that I'm going to ombre on top of this gel polish. So this poly gel is from Temu. This is a really good poly gel. It's becoming my new fave, as well as this brush here. This brush is kind of deceiving because it's such a soft brush, and like I said in my other video, I did not think it was going to be strong enough to lay the poly gel, but this brush is amazing. It's my new favorite brush. I love it. When I do my ombres with the poly gel, it just ombres so nicely, which you will see here in a second. So you guys, I know it looks kind of bulky, but I'm really trying to keep my shape intact. You can see me keep patting the sides and really trying to keep my shape. I've been really working on getting my apex correctly. You know, usually before I was doing shorter nails, so I didn't really have to worry about the apex, but now that I'm doing longer nails, I've been really working on my apex. One thing to help me kind of envision how my apex really should be is using the Tipex nail tips. If you guys haven't watched that video of mine, go and watch that video right after this. But those instant apex nail tips from Tipex really kind of gave me a good visual on the shape of the apex and how high I should build mine. But those instant apex from Tipex really helped me, and so now I've been trying to really work on how I build my apex up for my longer nails. So now you guys, we're going to go in with this clear polygel by Macart to build the tip of the nail up and to cover our ombre. So when we go into file, we will not destroy all the hard work we just did to perfectly ombre this nail. Well, it's not perfectly ombre, but let me tell you, when you put on this clear polygel, somehow, some way, it makes the ombre look perfect. It just makes it look perfect. It blurs all the harshness of it and just makes it look perfect, as you can see right here. And you guys, I really do my best with trying to lay this polygel perfect, because the more perfect your application is, and I use the word perfect very loosely, the better your application is, the less filing you will have to do. And you know, I always want to do less filing because I don't like all that powder, you know, flying around in the air. I do make sure I have a dust collector on as well as a mask, but you know, I really don't like filing. Plus, I use a pull-off face, so 9 times out of 10, my nail is going to pop off while I'm filing, and that is very annoying. So now we are all ready for nail art. I'm going to take each color and do some line work on top of the nail of the same color. So I'm gonna go in with matte top coat. When you go in with matte top coat, it allows the gel paint to stick to the nail a little bit better, so it's a little bit easier to do artwork if you're doing hand painted artwork when the nail is matte. But these nails are going to be matte anyway, so it's a win-win. So I'm going to very carefully draw a little squiggly line like this. And I'm going to continue to go over it until it's to the thickness of my liking. And if you mess up, just go in with a brush and clean up. I did cure this after I drew the first line. So when I go in to clean up the second line, it's not going to do anything to my first line because that line is cured. I do cure between each layer. Now you guys, you can stop right here and this can be your nail art and this can be finished. But you know me, I gotta be a little bit extra, so we are going to add some nail charms as well as some butterflies as well as some glitter. So I'm going in with another coat of matte nail polish just to go on top of the nail art that I drew, and I'm going in with another line, but this line will not need any top coat on top of it because I am going to put glitter on top of it, and I'm going to make sure that glitter soaks in. So I'm gonna make sure there's no like spots on it that looks like it doesn't have glitter on it, and I'm gonna go and do each nail that way, making sure to cure between each nail. Now we're going to go in with some charms and some rhinestones. I'm just going to set these flowers in just like a circular type design, nothing too fancy, and they're all going to be the matching color of the ombre of the nail. And that's pretty much it, you guys. If you made it this far in my video, I want to thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.